Welcome back, people, to yet another video. Today is the pre-storm day. Now we're waiting on the storm to come.
Yes,
It will be here in like 6 hours, Joe Day.
What are you talking like that?
Where the course of life? I'm British.
Which one are you?
I'm in a snowstorm, you know, so I'm British now. Okay? So, say hi to the people, Joe Day.
Hi.
Okay. What are we doing today, Joe Day, and what's your role in what we're doing today?
Same as usual, sous chef.
Yeah. So you're the sous chef from where? Where are you hailing from, Joe Day?
Same place.
Where's the same place, Joe Day?
Where you come from again? Because that's definitely not British.
It's British, Joe Day.
Joe Day.
It's something British.
It's something British.
Something British.
It's not like in the middle of sea.
It's something British, okay? I'm from the southern part of Britain. I'm from Brixton, you know. You know Brixton, Joe Day. Huh? Do you know Brixton, Joe Day?
No, I don't. Apparently
Okay.
not.
I'm from Brixton.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're moving over here to Miss Glorio.
Glorious.
Miss Glorio. She's related to Oreo. So, Miss J, what are we doing today?
Me can't talk like you, so just cut out that and come natural.
I am naturally now.
Natural.
So tell the folks what we're doing today.
Yes, guys, one more time again. I'm going to do my video now. What I'm going to cook for you today, guys, is a one-pot meal with pig's tail, corned beef. I go ahead already and I scald off the pig's tail and the corned beef. So I'm going to season it. And then I boil it out properly.
It's corned beef. Because Jamaicans, it's a corned beef, salt beef.
So,
And a salt beef in him.
but then say corn, show me see it mark on. A salt beef, guys. This is salt beef. And pig's tail. I'm going to season it, guys. Here that are the seasoning. So when I season it up now, I'm going to cook it down into this pot here for a while. I want it to tender more. Then this is the pot for the rice. This is Gungo, Barefoot Rice and Peas. With this, I'm going to use, this is the coconut milk. I'm going to use it, cook the rice along with the pig's tail, guys. So I'm going to season this now, guys, and put it on. Let it go and cook, guys, and let it get more, make the season get into the pig's tail and the corn pork, the corned beef.
So you did say over there has the seasonings, correct? Okay, so what kind of seasoning is this one?
This is a pimento that beat into this. And this is the garlic powder, complete, black pepper, crushed pepper.
You know I only asked you about this one, right?
This is pimento berry, yeah.
Y'all are just eager to talk into me, eh? Y'all are just eager to talk into me,
Hot
eh?
you, man.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. So let's get the ball rolling.
Right.
Some hands and heart together. Everybody, let's get cooking.
Yes, guys, and our dear sous chef is gonna cut out the natural seasoning for us.
Sous chef, where's the natural seasoning, sous chef?
Onion
I
powder,
don't know.
guys.
I'm not forgetting.
Woo! Onion on the pig's tail and the salted beef. Don't say corned beef or salt beef. Say salted beef.
Me not say one more. Me not say one more word, not this one.
Why not?
Garlic powder.
What's that? Garlic powder?
Garlic what? What name?
Garlic powder.
She said.
Because they say garlic powder.
She said garlic powder.
Because they say.
I said powder, you know.
Because they say garlic powder.
She said garlic powder. I said powder.
You said powder.
Powder.
But my daughter just say garlic powder.
You know, like chowder.
Lord, me grandmother.
Where you come from?
Me don't know which
I
one.
said I'm from Brixton, you know.
Nobody in Brixton of that.
Not
Y'all,
sure.
that's how we spoke over there, man.
Oh, you spoke. You
Y'all,
don't think you spoke.
I'm a spoker.
You speak you spoke.
Now, people, she's putting sloppy and mama. You know, that's a very vulgar seasoning. I ain't using the vulgar seasoning.
Sebastian, I like it at all.
Sloppy your mama.
What? Are you crazy?
Nobody is sloppy my mama. People, Jody said one day we're gonna cook one pot of tomato.
One pot.
One patch.
One patch.
Next month, one day, no milk.
Yeah, Miss, get him.
Next month, not wait on my second one pot milk. And use curry, rice, curry, chicken, everything I want, but now use curry. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in the pig's tail. I'm gonna squeeze now.
So the pig's tail is going
I'm
in the pot.
I'm not gonna put.
Oh, Jesus! It's fire,
Yes, guys.
it's fire.
I'm not gonna put it in the pot like this. I'm gonna cook it up into some seasoning and let it have a nice flavor. Then I put it in the peas with the coconut juice, guys.
And what is the word for that again, Joe guys?
The coconut milk.
When you put the meat in the pot
Man, you bite your pussy
and
tongue.
you spin it around and it gets some color and some flavor. What's the correct cooking terminology for that, Joe Day? Oh, Joe Day. Joe Day. Joe Day. What, Joe Day? What is the cooking terminology for that, Joe Day?
The terminology is cooking it.
No.
But you been searing it?
Yeah, exactly. That's what you need to say, Joe Day. Look at it. It's crackling and it's whatever it's doing. Yeah. Look at that color. Look at that. Oh my Jesus, it's very sharp. They're like, did I even say I am from Southern Brown? Brown.
Yes, guys, I'm going to use a little bit of coconut milk to cook up the pig's tail.
Maybe you should have let her get some more searing before you put it up.
It's alright, man. You can cook down with it now. And the milk you cook down with it, season everything, cook down with it. Then it go down, dry out, then I have it, then I take my time and turn it. Alright. Okay, can't get colour. Can't put brown in there, color.
I am the head director.
You know?
Yeah, I saw.
Let it go.
Head director.
Lose them.
Aye.
So fast and so quick.
For me to be 100% brown, it takes some work, man. I'm tired. Like, speaking properly makes you tired, man. So, I'm resting now.
Yeah.
I'm resting my boys.
Your boy.
I'm resting the money maker.
I just do more honey and ready. As a one pot, you know. Cut up some more dada.
So, people, this is what Jody was doing, but she was just informed that this will not do. So, she has to cut more onions and more. What the hell is this thing again?
Onions?
What is this thing again?
What is that tonight?
What is this thing again? Oh, escalon. Escalon. Escalon.
Okay.
Escalon.
Mr. Southern British.
No, I went to Spain just now. Escalon. That's in Spain. Escalon
That's
is
in
found
Spain.
in Spain.
It's found in Spain?
Yes.
Okay. And what is it in English?
Green onion. Green onion.
Green onion.
Yeah, green onion.
How we know that there's something? I was just saying, you have not been sitting out after like that.
What? Where I say? What you say? What you say? What are you saying around here?
I don't even know what I'm saying.
Nobody can understand what you say because you're like.
How much Latin you speak? How much Latin you speak?
I speak across the globe, you know. I'm a global speaker.
I think you're right.
I speak for Jamaicans. I speak for Americans. I speak for Englandishers. I speak for Spaniards. I speak for Jodians.
You speak like Yeti too?
eat Creole every day.
Yes.
Every day.
You're perfectly right.
Exactly.
Because I don't know what you're saying.
What you need to do, is go over there and instruct Jody to hurry up and cut.
No, let she do what she got to do because my pot is cooking. Do what you got to do here, ma'am.
I thought you were going to say...
I don't already feed them it. Cut them here,
you don't want her to cut off her finger again.
Again?
When did it cut off?
All the way. Every day.
Jesus Christ. You say I like it, then know you're like by now.
People look at her finger.
Did they? All of them did.
All cutty.
All of them did. I'm going to cut them off yet.
So where's the onion? I heard you're supposed to cut onion.
Why don't you mind your own English?
I ain't seen no onions.
Your own English speaking self.
I ain't seen no onions. I'm in America now.
Non-English business.
You've been in England for 20 years and can't get it properly. How you not going to get it?
His head is tough, He's a very tough-headed boy. Ain't it? Very tough-headed boy.
What's that up, Poor Junior. You got that slap. Like the Junior come back and you're going.
Tough-headed Junior. Your mama said you can't twing your tongue because your head tough.
That's a haliba.
I ain't seen one.
Haliba.
Junior is Oliver.
You is Oliver. Which Junior? You are Oliver. Which Junior? You is Oliver. Oh.
I know Oliver.
When Oliver wants to give them food, Oliver twang and do hand so. And so imagine lad him sitting there. You are Oliver.
I know Oliver. No.
I saw Oliver twang he said about the hotel.
No, Jody, tell him now. Tell her now. Do not compare me.
You can never compare.
I am the A class. He is the B class.
No, really?
Yes, Oliver said.
Right?
Yes, Oliver said. I am the A class and you are the B class. Yes, Oliver said.
Jody.
Yeah.
Tell him I'm the A class.
Yes,
Look at the camera and tell him, Jody, I'm the A class.
Okay, Oliver.
No!
I got the granny Olivia.
You overdo it, no, Jody. You overdo it. You got we are Olivia.
I see, Jody. So I remember watch Oliver comedy when I then at the hotel I see Oliver be here. Same way so.
Really?
You saw Oliver in a plane, I saw Oliver do like you.
Yeah.
Same way.
Everybody want to go for the plane. The lady saying that you Oliver don't want to go the pressure. Oliver ready.
Yeah.
Oliver.
Oliver say must speak, man.
Yes, we can just spooky get all the way out.
Because we don't know.
It's getting down there, and the head chef is making sure it's all not skidding around over the place. Where is it, Jody? I am head chef. Jay, why is it your pot keeps moving around?
It can't move like somebody moving. Because at night you have to hold the hands and move it around.
I only have two hands. Come, Jody, come hold the pot.
You try now?
Yeah.
Browning on there now.
There we go. See, this is how it's supposed to look, people.
Give me the browning bottle of cousin. Browning.
The one browning is the gravy and one lad, you can't. Jody, G's struggling to open in the browning in buckle. Go on, Jody. Show her how it's done.
This is the kind of time.
Do it again, Jody. Do it. There you go, Jody. Oh! Thunder cat.
That you know.
That's a G eat food or nothing.
Yes. Cousin, what that?
Need one more tomato?
No, you can't put half. You can't fry. You cut one already?
I'm going to cut up half of it.
You cut up none already?
Yeah, half of it.
You got the second?
No, half of
Just cut the whole of it. I'm thinking they cut one already and I cut the come on.
Not saying a word.
What word did I say?
Not 20 tongues.
It's 20 tongues. Yeah, man, cook it down like so, man. Try to get peas in the coconut milk, in the butter. Good to go. And to season, because I have no salt in it, so I have to season it up. And then you cook it here now.
This is the gunga and the peas in the coconut juices.
Yes, guys, I'm going to put some onion in the peas now. Some scallion. I have to go there on time there.
You know, we can't go to China and get more rice over here. We can't go to China and live in
Yes.
permanently.
Exactly.
We can't move over. China, here we come.
We're black and easy.
Fong chong, ching yong the chong. Ching chong. When I got church, I was singing. I was singing. Fong chong, ching yong the chong.
With
You
this
know, you
now.
have English speakers and
And this is cooking of the peas.
No, there ain't.
yeah,
I want
Christian
this
churches.
seasoning, natural seasoning, to cook with the peas, guys. Before I put the meat in there and put more seasoning there.
No English, don't speak of China.
That's why I couldn't go there.
English speaker everywhere.
No English, speaky.
So when
Speaky in China.
if somebody speaking English, I hear somebody who speak English.
Jody, we got 17 minutes in the video. From the video start.
You can't stop not to Jordan.
All you do is cut up seasoning.
I am the sous chef, right?
Like,
What does the sous chef do?
What? For the whole video you cut up seasoning?
The sous chef follow directions.
That wasn't the question. The whole video you cut up seasoning?
Trust me.
Say
You
it.
got the right answers, man.
Gravity of the situation
Yeah,
is
that's why I got 90 on my test.
your mom has been cutting up seasoning for 19 minutes.
Killing them with it.
Xavier, your mom has been cutting up seasoning for
And
19
you're gonna need to pay me in a couple of weeks.
What?
Remember? Every month I get $20 from you.
Why?
Thumbnail and YouTube
Is that
shorts.
deal that you got me?
Yes,
Okay.
Why are you getting $20?
because I'm the thumbnail.
You haven't made one thumbnail for me.
Because he won't send any stuff to me.
I said take your phone and picture stuff and make stuff and just send it over to me.
So
Wait, did you even use my thumbnails?
Huh?
Do you even use my thumbnails?
Oh,
Do you even use my thumbnails?
you haven't. You have only sent me one. Have you?
Yeah,
a
but
picture,
like-
not with a thumbnail, a picture.
You don't have to cut no more that time.
You have not sent me any thumbnails.
Yes,
No, I don't understand how they talk, Xavier.
but you're Jamaican. and you're
I know, but you know, I speak proper.
Stop putting it in my mouth.
They don't speak proper, Xavier. Tell them to speak proper, Xavier.
Stop putting it in my mouth.
But the grandma's long before you in Jamaica. So she's speaking proper and you're speaking...
No, they're not speaking proper, Xavier.
What is proper?
Proper is how I speak, right, Xavier?
Wait, who's older, you or mom?
I am.
I wish.
So she's not proper, Xavier.
No, that means young means more proper and old means wrong proper. Camso?
Yes, my dear.
That means
Go
you're
ahead.
that means you're wrong proper.
R4.
That means you're wrong proper because you're older than Sebastian. Eh?
Well, I've never been to... Wait, I have been to Jamaica, but I haven't lived there for like my almost 4 years. So leave me... No.
No candy.
Aye. I said come, hold on.
Candy police, huh?
Right.
Yes, I'm...
I know you
Give me
must-
extra since I helped you in that argument.
Hey!
No!
Pay your dues, Jody. Pay your dues.
5 seconds.
Pay your dues, Jody.
Hey, extra because...
Xavier, you get a whole heap.
Only this much?
Is Jody eating all the candy?
Extra because I helped you with the argument.
Stop.
Yeah. Let's go look at the color people.
Pull up in here.
Yeah, never.
Yes. Yes, no white at all. Yeah.
What kind of color is that, Zadie?
Brown.
Brown.
Everyone likes brown except for the color brown.
Come on, phone, come in, Sebastian.
So we have achieved the color that she wants.
Yeah.
Samantha!
So my son put it in the pot
It
now.
says Samantha.
Alright.
You never see your names, you never say. That's Samantha's cousin. Stop video me on the phone. Natasha, Natalie, me I talk to your cousin a video with.
You're too.
You must know what to put another person.
Yeah, you see your brother have the video on the phone, me I talk to you. See me? Yes, yes, Sebastian.
There.
Oh, this is Samantha. Samantha. Your brother have video it. Remember me tell you. No privacy.
You ain't got no privacy.
We want to not taste this because it's supposed to can't put it in the rice now.
Jay, Jody.
Come here, Jody.
G say I must go taste it, pal.
Sebastian, do you hear the cup playing in the kitchen? What must it?
The pot.
This is good.
Let's go.
What you know?
It's not for him come out. Soft, you know. Yeah, taste it for me.
What you know, people? And she's having, she's twirling it on the fork. She's twirling, she blows in it. She put it next to her mouth, she blows. And she bites. And she bites again.
Anybody know last time?
And she's chopping. Hey, some of that. And we're waiting for the verdict.
Because it be no good there to them. The rest of the
And
season.
you still have a cooking and that again?
Yes.
Stop, man. Give me.
No, not getting one.
Give David a piece.
No.
David eat piece.
No.
David eat piece.
That's the best one.
I'm not playing.
Go outside with the cushion. Come on over the cushion.
Go put it on the cushion.
Lord, may I tell
Go
you,
put it on the cushion.
Don't try like coconut milk.
you want some?
Because we don't want it to, I want to enjoy it. The rice is not soft, it's shell like shell belly.
Shut your mouth. Ever give you soft rice yet?
Yeah.
Shut up your mouth.
Yeah.
No, think the me don't call but you me there do want me blogger. What me done me tell her where she say it you have to just make that stay. What me done me tell her where she said?
Where she? Army.
Where she which you?
I don't know.
Which you? What we
don't know what I'm about.
To our you hear not that way?
But try me on all this chat.
When me finish me cause when say all the while we are chatting.
Jody said when we gonna work, yeah, Pete and chat me. So Jody said, and Jody don't tell lies.
Jody said, when the guy Jody said, tell him say when him gotta work, me and me Pete and chat him. No, me say when me eating the Natasha say they don't get through it.
I told you that I'm gonna take a piece and you said do it.
No, me say pretend like you're stealing peas, not actually thief.
Eh?
Like you're real thief. You know real life?
Me not eat, me take it.
Master God.
We are trying to create a moment for the vlog. And you end up a thief out the food.
I took it. I didn't
Like,
keep it.
we can't understand it. No. Triple guard jail. like no man.
No, sir.
We say pretend say you're a thief, Jody thief.
Lord of God.
Pretend. You know pretend?
Auntie Jody, please carry me this season, come.
That was really nice. Oh, dinner?
Yeah.
That look rich. Rich.
May we find direction?
Ready.
Yes, guys, time for the natural seasoning now, guys.
Maybe do my big tails before Because if we wait for it be done, because we not going there, because we not eat it.
Please note, right? Mark don't take you eat 6 pieces of picture already. You know?
Well, 2.
6 pieces. Alright.
We have 7 more pieces in there.
That looks pretty.
But that could be.
Show the milk in there, man. Make me come, I want it to boil. Some more. Yes, guys, this is my 1 pot rice and peas. Yes, guys.
Yeah, I say rice and peas like it's rice and kidney beans.
Don't you have peas?
Is peas, I go with peas here, man.
Peas and cook, I told them something. One is gunga, one is peas. No, they're not the same thing.
It's the same thing.
Nope.
When you? Gungo what?
Gungo.
Gungo peas?
No. It ain't
Pigeon
gungo.
peas. In fact, it named pigeon peas.
Exactly. Pitch. Oh, shoot. Wrong. Them say me wrong, Jay.
You're wrong, yes? Pigeon peas.
This look fantastically beautiful.
Certainly. That means I get pixie and salt because she not complain about the salt.
I hope it tastes like what it's looking.
Always, always.
We can't make hungry belly do this because I'm trying about the food.
Wait for them.
Jody, I know you say, you don't want to fix your feet because you hear that.
Huh?
And you say you don't want to fix your feet because you hear that.
I want it today. One day they hurt me today.
That one more, sir?
Yeah, man, come look at salt. I must say water had to eat and I said, let me did boil out the pig's tail, you know.
But you know, say you're cooking it and condense it again.
Yes, but it not, it's fresh. One little pepper, little of this in here.
You're sure?
Yeah.
No. I don't know, I'm not agree with the pepper and the salt, you know. Because
No man,
because of one pepper in there.
When it that pepper you cut up, you see?
I know they're not that great, but I mean, it's always the last time I go pepper.
Yes, this.
What you making, Jody?
None of your business.
You're making none of my business? I didn't know that was my business.
I did in a the near year, I say, hey!
What Jody do? I ain't got no problem. All up,
Where's my fork?
all up enjoy the business.
What's up, man? Excuse me. Excuse me.
Yo, I look through this. I'm sorry.
More carrot, more than something, but that's okay. Thank you, bitch.
Still making veg. People, the ultimate churros here with a little spoon.
Rice and peas and...
Ah, you can't eat all that meat today.
Yeah, ball with the teeth myself.
Yes, man.
Cause you name it out.
He might come now later tonight. Oh no, what you say?
You saw that light? You saw that light?
I didn't do me the other day.
Jesus.
When we come back and think somebody get somebody, because none of it gone.
People not saw that light. I remember said G can't eat a ton of that food. You know?
Alright,
Come
yeah,
in,
ball for your food. Cause,
Where you are pack up to my plate and G food for?
I don't vegetable after this.
Yes.
There's only good vegetable.
So but I don't know why you pile it up in one little corner.
Okay.
We pile the rice in one little corner. You want to spread it out? This is it. But that's IG channel. Oh, you have a plan?
Big girl, no man, man.
It's 5 star or 6 star?
I put the sugar pan in
Well, so she don't want it without sugar. She happy me?
She want it not that.
Is she kid Joe? Come, G, you have to do better. Jordan say you need to do better. Jordan say you need to do better. Right, Jordan?
Huh?
G, you need to do better.
Don't you know better, do better?
Yes. So G, you know better? Jordan say you need to do better.
And you Jordan, look in the fridge and clean up the piece of pear in there.
Yeah, bit.
Okay, tell you. Come here, you.
Hey! So this spot will if I pay the fear.
Who tell her?
Why?
Meow. Bad boy Trevor. Yes, bad boy Trevor said, don't stress me out. Never see me. Oh, you can say now. I'm playing now. What happened there?
Was it something wrong with it?
Would you like kill other people? Oh, shoot. Why don't you not meat? When you got done vegetarian? She had moved the meat and put on top people. I don't know why. Then I move vegetable put on top too.
Cousin said, I don't want it. Alright, I don't say nothing. You know, I'm here and I come shop put more pixie and leopard because I say I want cream boy. Yeah.
Oh, you want more pizza?
Not yet.
G can't have this in her place. You know, yeah, Brady said G doesn't love enough food.
Hey! Yes, me subscribers. Yes, me subscribers. I finished cook me barefoot rice and peas with pig's tail and corned beef. Now, guys, I'm going to consume some of it now, guys.
G should not eat and she consume. No, G, Jody.
You know responsible, I want. Let's go. Big up, guys. Big up. And my avocado too, guys.
Okay.
With my vegetables.
Yeah, we eat that piece of cucumber before we leave. You know?
We get the nice salt beef for it.
This guys and a piece of cucumber also.
You probably mix up in there, once a piece here.
See that?
Cucumber tastes good.
Cucumber is good. I'm a great man.
Yes, guys.
That's how you make it.
That too.
Yes, guys. Wonderful. My dinner is very nice, guys. But check later, guys. Maybe I don't know if I'm going to freeze or what I'm going to do. But trust later, guys. It's going to be very, 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 very cold over here. And the ice and the snow. So, guys, I love you all. Take care. Be good. Be nice. And tell a friend to subscribe on the channel. Because, guys, I need it to grow. So, guys, you stay with me, guys, and don't leave me. Stay with me and let me go, guys, to what you want me to be. Thank you, guys. Take care, and I'm out.